Hi everyone, it's Susie from Esoteric Trading Solutions again. Hope you're all well. I hope you're not getting too upset about the market. It looks pretty sick at the moment. I have to say it looks quite negative, and obviously the market's very worried about all this regulation in the world at the moment, particularly with South Korea was, going to say they were regulated and they weren't, and obviously, what's happening in China and everything else. But just thought I'd go through the technicals. They obviously don't look very good, and just see if we can, if there's any consolidation at all, and it doesn't look like there is at the moment, I have to say, but let's just have a look at it. Remember to always be well, look after yourself. So look, it's only market, it's only money. It doesn't mean everything in the scheme of things. As long as you're healthy, happy, you're good to yourself and good to people around you that you love, that's the most important thing. This is only money, it comes and goes, seriously. I've been around a long time, and I've been a feather duster one day and I've been a hero the next. So, and lately I've been a feather duster, not a hero. But I know markets always give us an opportunity. They'll always be here. They'll always give us an opportunity to get our money back. So not to worry. And I'm sure everyone's in the same position I am at the moment. I did take a hit on Ripple, got down to 85 cents last night, which is just unbelievable. I didn't get to get down there. So I got stopped out of my long positions, but again, it doesn't look like it's consolidating. So just let's have a quick look at the technicals anyway. I won't waste too much of your time today. Bitcoin, just looking at the 4 hour, looks like it can get down to 10,689. Let's have a look at the daily on this. Daily always gives me an overall. Daily, again, it's moved through this big level of support on the Ichimoku, and it looks like it's still going down and potentially to 90, basically just under 9,000, potentially 8,998, something like that. So it hasn't consolidated at all. Everything's still red. Moving average is still cross, still red on the histograms and the MACD, and there's been no consolidation here whatsoever. So I would certainly wait until you see consolidation. It looks like to me it can get below 9,000. Just take it out to the weekly very quickly. Weekly, you haven't got the moving averages crossing on the weekly, but everything's starting to move down on the weekly, and probably a big level, as I said, is probably just below 9,000, about here somewhere, 8853. I'd be starting to think about buying some there. Let's have a look at Ethereum. I know Ethereum has gone up a lot, and they did start to hit it quite a bit yesterday. Ethereum did get very, very extended in the scheme of things. If you look at the weekly, to me, it looks like it could probably, and it did get down to that level, 858, maybe potentially 734, but I mainly trade, as you know, from the 4 hourly and the daily. So let's check those out. The 4 hourly looks like, to me, it can get down to 792. This is my own personal technical analysis. You can use this for learning. You do your own trades on your own decisions and your own finances, and it's not investment advice at all. I'm just looking at my own technicals. So still at the parabolic sol here, still in the red zone with the price action. It's gone through major support levels, still moving down to the next pivot level, which is 792 on my charts. Moving average, histogram, MACDs are all turning all red and looking like it's going to get some more momentum. So first level on Ethereum looks like it's going to be 847, something like that, 852, and then down to 790. So for me, I'd still be staying short Ethereum. Let's have a look at Litecoin. Take it back to the daily so I can just have a bigger picture here. Litecoin, basically, we had, looks like got down to 149, 150. Wow. Still moving in the red zone, so it looks quite negative. Parabolic sol has just come up here. So potentially this could get to 133.70 on the daily. Let's check out the 4 hourly on this. 4 hourly, it breached through that 156, bounced back up, but it could re-breach that, I'd say. So again, parabolic sol. There's no consolidation on these charts whatsoever. So be careful here. The price action is not consolidating. It's still moving down. We need consolidation before we start buying. Dash really got hit. Basically breached the support of 760. Looks like it's back up there at the moment. But gosh, got way down below there by the looks of it, 621 or something like that. Let's blow that up. Golly, really hit these markets last night. Still in the red zone. Check out the daily on this. Looks like it's trying to consolidate here. There's a big line of support here, even though there's no line here. But again, look, I'm pretty low to get long anything at the moment until I see some sort of consolidation. Still in the sell mode here. Just have a look at the 2 hours on Dash. Just want to see where it got to last night. Gosh, looks like it got down to 604 on that. So again, I'm not buying anything until I can see some consolidation. Let's check out Monero. Looks like Monero is trying to consolidate here. Take it back to the 4 hours. Sorry, it's the 2 hour chart. Got the blue line here. Did get much lower. Looks like 257 or something like that. Again, you've got no buy signals on these. Still parabolic sell. Still looks negative. Moving averages moving down. I wouldn't be buying anything at the moment. Could potentially come down to 286 again on Monero. Have a look at the daily. I'd like to see it hold 283 on the daily here. But maybe this market keeps selling down. Could get to 229. Okay, let's have a look at NEO. That's done very well of recent times, but I think with Ethereum coming off and everything else coming off, it's probably going to start to give up. As you can see, you've got the parabolic sell here on the daily. Looks like could get down to 117.06 quite easily. Did breach that zone last night, or even this level here, 96, something like that. Done it on very large volume. All these charts look the same actually. Same story here. Looks like you can get down to this level here of 112. Maybe it's done a lot of work around this 112 here, so probably down to that level, I'd say. Let's have a look at Ripple. I got caught on Ripple last night. Didn't get to 85 cents by the looks of it. I'm going to take it back so I can just have a look at the low on that if these trading view charts are right. Again, yeah, it looks like 85, 86 cents. Wow, got stopped out. Massive volume there. Amazing, but still in this massive sell zone. Very disappointing. Ripple's been hit hard, harder than anything else, unfortunately. It still looks like it's going to go further on the 4 hourly. Gosh, 84, 85 cents on this. No consolidation whatsoever. Let's have a look at the daily. Disappointing, actually. Daily, you've got a big line of support here at 105, 106, but it did breach this level last night, 86. Does look like it can go further. There's no consolidation, still moving down on that. Let's have a look at Ethereum Classic. I think all these charts are going to show a pretty similar picture, actually. Parabolic sell back up to this level, 27.68 or something. Got down to about 22. Still looks pretty yuck. Actually, it doesn't look as bad as other charts, actually, I have to say. Overall, look, I'm not going to go into any more charts. It's too depressing. This looks like it could get potentially back to 23.45 or something. I think that's all I'm going to look at today, guys. I can't stand it. They all look the same to me. We need to see some consolidation, that's for sure, before we start buying. There is one I do want to look at, just one last one. And that's sand, went up from 25 cents to $8 on nothing. Just wondering if that's, golly, it's really been smashed. Wow. From $8.25 down to $2.29. I hope people didn't get long on that. Got to $2.09. Okay, guys, I hope you're well, and I know the market's selling off, but there will be another day when we can make all our money back. So please take care, look after yourselves, and don't get too down about losing money. It's just the markets, and they'll always be here, and we will get another opportunity. Take care.